Hello, welcome to Nuke and how to customize a reader node. So what I'm going to be going over is, the steps it takes to add what you want to a reader node and where to find the info, the documentation, the logic behind it, and why you want to do something like this, or at least why I want to do something like this. And the great thing about Nuke is it is available for anybody to do. So here is my project I'm working on right now, and I have a lot of elements. I have many elements in here. I have many, not so much in there. Many elements in here, and a lot of elements in here. So navigating if I put down a regular read node, I'd have to navigate to all these folders, and when the versions change, you gotta through and change it. So that's really a pain, especially when I have a set structure for my project that I can easily navigate through. So here's our destination. So if I drop down a read node, it has all this in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start from scratch and show you how to make these, how to add the knobs, how to add the data, and to do the callback function, and how to get these things loaded in. So what I have here is I basically disabled my pre-load scripts that basically load up everything, so I don't have to type this stuff every time. But I'm going to type it up to show the steps on what I did, and then at the end we're going to put it all together and we're going to put it in Nuke's init files, so it automatically launches, and we'll make a custom library and we load that in, so you can completely customize Nuke. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put on a new tab to put this stuff. And so I'm going to go to my script editor, and I'm just going to rip this off here. I guess we don't really let's see, let me just there we go. That's what I wanted to do. So now that I have this script reader, I'm going to select my node right here. And so to get access to this node, I can go n equals nuke.selected nodes. And so this is the function that gives me and puts that node in a variable for me. So I have my node in a variable, and it prints off all these. They're the knobs. So what I want to do is I want to add a tab, and so the command for that is I want to create a tab knob. So I'm going to go and I'm going to give it a name. And so these are all the knobs. Any knob that you see here, it can be added in. Like Nuke is all Python based, and so you can completely customize your workflow. Alright, so I'm going to create a tab knob, but then what you have to do is you have to add it. So you have to grab your node here, and you want to call the command of add knob, and this is tab knob. So let's give this a try. Alright, there we go, and you can see we've just created a tab here.